Welcome to VIP Super Tech. We all love the arrival of a new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift idea for a family or friend. That's why we've put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there right now in our list of the coolest, new gadgets we think you'll love. If you want to know the price of a product or want to buy it, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. AirSelfie2 Pocket-Size Selfie Flying Camera. AirSelfie2 is a revolutionary pocket-size flying camera that connects to your smartphone via an iOS or Android app, letting you take extraordinary aerial HD images of you, friends and life. For turbo propellers thrust up to 65 feet in the air capturing wide, truly original photos and videos. Anti-vibration shock absorber and 12MP camera ensure highest quality images. Its ultralight 2.8-ounce form means you can always keep AirSelfie2 close by in a pocket. Includes leather carry case. Number 2. Viper Flight Hole Punch Tool. The Viper Dart Flight Hole Punch Tool makes it easy to punch a perfect rectangular slot into your dart flights so they can accept a stem ring to keep flights securely on plastic or nylon shafts. Heavy-duty steel and resin flight punch. Punches a perfect slot into dart flights to accept a stem ring. Prevents flights from popping off. Compact and easy to use. Includes 3 sets of stem rings, a total of 9, does not include shafts or flights. Number 3. Revo Revo Neck Haircut Tools. Hate seeing that fresh lineup go to waste in a few days? Constantly struggling to shave excess neck hair because you realize you don't have eyes on the back of your head? Fed up with spending so much money at the barber? The grooming products you've been looking for. It's here, and it's ready to revolutionize your look. Introducing the Revo Hair and Revo Neck, the complete haircut kit that is designed to help you keep your hairline and neckline looking fresh always. Line up your hairline like a professional barber. The perfect curves allow you to line up every part of your hair and even behind the ears. This is our personal favorite because it is always difficult to edge up behind the ear. Designed with a special beard and hair comb to use when applying beard oil, pomade, or gel. Revo Hair is one size fits all. So don't even worry about sizing. With Revo Hair, it is so easy, anyone can do. Check out the description to find the product links. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Thank you for watching this video.